Hi, I'm Francis Dodds, Editorial Director at Burley Dodds Science Publishing, and I'd like to talk in this video about one of our new titles, Optimising Poultry Flock Health, which has been edited by Professor Jacques de Wit at Royal GD and the University of Utrecht in the Netherlands. Part 1 looks at understanding infectious diseases in poultry and includes chapters on advances in understanding the mechanisms of infection and transmission of poultry viruses, pathogenic bacteria and parasite infections affecting poultry. Part 2 focuses on preventing those diseases in poultry. So there are chapters, for example, looking at ways of improving biosecurity in poultry flocks, nutritional strategies to boost the immune response in poultry, and the recent developments in vaccines to protect poultry against diseases. The final part of the book, part 3, looks at optimising health at different stages in poultry production. So there are chapters, for example, on chick health and how that can be optimised in poultry hatchery and incubation facilities, as well as the health of broilers, layers and breeder birds. Well, to give you an idea of what the book's like, I picked out a couple of chapters as examples. First one is chapter 1 from part 1 on understanding the biology of avian viruses, which is written by Alejandro Bandra of Mississippi State University in the States. This chapter summarises our current understanding of the molecular biology of viruses. It discovers enveloped and non-enveloped viruses, viral capsids and viral glycoproteins, and the way these interact with host cells. The chapter also discusses mechanisms of viral evolution such as mutation, recombination and reassortment, and how this can help understand, detect, prevent and treat viral diseases such as influenza, infectious bursal disease and avian retrovirus. The second chapter I wanted to pick out is chapter 6 from part 2 on developments in poultry vaccines, written by Yong-Soo Yao and Venugopal Nair of the Purbright Institute in the UK. This chapter reviews recent advances in the development of recombinant viral vectored vaccines, including viral vectors, techniques for generating recombinant vaccines, and particularly the application of new gene editing techniques for the development of multivalent vaccines that can induce simultaneous protection against multiple avian diseases. Well, I'll conclude, if I may, by quoting a leading expert, Professor Fiona Tomley of the Royal Veterinary College in the UK. And she's been nice enough to say, this impressive collection of chapters from leading international experts has been put together with care and consideration. It moves seamlessly from current knowledge of the major classes of poultry infectious diseases through discussions of advances in monitoring and prevention of diseases to different strategies for different parts of commercial production systems. With such breadth and depth, this volume should become a go-to manual for anyone with an interest in poultry health. Well, with an endorsement like that, we believe this book will soon take flight and we hope it will soon land on your shelf.